Hey guys, what is up? This is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. The latest Xiaomi EU weekly update, which is MIUI 12 20.9.3, is available for a lot of devices right now. I'm a fan of Xiaomi EU build and I'm using it since MIUI 9, MIUI 10, MIUI 11, and I'm using this on my as a daily driver on my device regularly. Why I use this, which are the features which I love a lot, and is this one of the greatest ever stable ever build which is based on MIUI 12 right now available for any device. In this video I'm gonna share with you my opinions, my best top 5 features which I love about Xiaomi EU build, and some little bit more things about this build. Make sure to watch this video till the end to understand everything, and maybe you will also love this build for sure for these kind of reasons. Now let's get started quickly. Okay guys, first of all let me tell you one thing, that this is a Xiaomi EU build. Which are some main advantages of using a Xiaomi EU build? First of all, you can see there's no Chinese app available. This is first feature which I liked a lot, and I hope you almost every one of you like this thing, that Xiaomi EU does not include any Chinese app. As you can see, no Chinese, no bloatware at all. These are all some useful apps which are available there, not any useless app. Yes, you can uninstall still these kind of apps like the recorder and services and feedback which you don't like, but still these apps are not that much kind of things which are just a bloatware or sometimes some type of a shit which you don't like, which you don't want to use on a device. Another one of the best thing about Xiaomi EU build is the theme store. It has all the main things: themes, wallpaper, dynamic wallpapers, ringtones, fonts and icons. All the features which you use in your device as a daily driver, because I personally choose the icon pack, because this is one of the greatest things I have ever liked about Xiaomi EU's and also MIUI 12 builds. In MIUI China beta you have a lot of bloatware, Chinese apps and a lot more these kind of things, and Xiaomi EU is fully rebranded with its own Google Apps installed, not with its own actually, but Google Apps pre-installed, no bloatware, no ads at all. As you can see, not a single ad available here. All the features of MIUI 12 are available, are present here. You can go to my account, go to the theme components, and you can customize your theme fully, like lock style, status bar, icons, messaging, dial pad. And one of the best thing about Xiaomi EU build is you can go to the theme store, go to the import section, and you can simply import any third-party theme. And one of the best thing is the theme will not revert back to the original theme. This is a best thing about this build, because if you have ever used MIUI theme editor and those kind of things, after some time the theme is reverted back to the default one, so that is kind of a temporary solution. But this one is one of the great ones. Just click on OK, the theme will be imported successfully, and then you will be able to apply this directly from here and the theme will not be reverted back. This is also one of the best features which I liked about Xiaomi EU build. The things which you get pre-installed in Xiaomi EU build is the screen recorder. First of all, it has the screen recorder pre-installed. You can record the screen if you want to. The resolution which you can adjust, this video quality which you can adjust up to 100 Mbps. These are the kinds you get here. Orientation, sound source, system sounds or mic or mute. If you want, you can choose a fixed frame rate, or also you can adjust the frame rate 15, 24 or 30 fps. Lock screen to end, show touch gestures, visualize navigation button, go back to screen recorder. And this is kind of an advanced screen recorder, so you don't need to install any third-party screen recorder from the Play Store, which is also kind of the feature available in Xiaomi EU build. This is MIUI 12 Xiaomi EU, so super wallpapers are present here, and the best part is you have all these 3 super wallpapers are installed. The home one, red planet, faraway rings, all these the latest wallpapers, updated wallpapers are present here, and these wallpapers are present in every other Xiaomi EU build. If you're using any other device, super wallpapers are present. Because that Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 does not support super wallpapers officially, so this is kind of a laggy thing, so I will not definitely use these kind of things, but for some kind of sake, for some time I can use this as a kind of advantage for fun purpose and these kind of things I can use that, but for daily use I will not use these kind of things. But yes, it has great kind of wallpapers available, like the nature patterns, geometry, dynamic nebula, minimalism, black and white and Mars. So all the important wallpapers are present here. I don't need any extra app, but still I use Wally. As you already know, I have this app pre-installed. I always use these kind of apps to apply these kind of wallpapers which looks damn interesting and cool. Let me show you my battery stats. I have Redmi Note 8 which I am using right now, Xiaomi EU latest build. These are my battery stats. As you can see, 1 hour and 44 minutes active and 1 hour 19 minutes standby, from 60% to 41%, which I'm not saying it's one of the greatest one, but I can say that this is not bad. This is quite good. This is quite impressive. This is kind of a minimalistic usage, no extra usage, no heavy games, whatever else, but the ROM is quite good. I use it for daily driver because it has everything which I need. I need stability, I need performance, and all the things which I required are present here. As you already know, no Chinese bloatware, nothing else. So the things which I require, if these kind of things are available, I will use this ROM as my daily driver for sure. So if you're also MIUI lover and want to install a good stable custom ROM based on MIUI 12, you can use Xiaomi EU right now on your device. These are the things I just wanted to share with you. So I hope you like this thing. If you like this, don't forget to like and share the video also. Now this was all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.